ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Gibraltar. The local time here is 1 hour ahead of London Gatwick, and it's just gone 11:05. The cabin crew should be their seats for all safety related duties, and at the time the seatbelt signs will still be on and the aircraft will still moving. So please remain in your seats with the seatbelts fastened to the sides and parts of you have been switched off. Any devices you have any messaging calls or internet access can now be used. When leaving the aircraft today, please check in the seat pocket in front of you. The surrounding floor area and finding the overhead lockers, any personal items are left behind, and do take care of open the lockers in case anything has moved during landing, and could fall out into yourself or a fellow passenger. For those smokers amongst you, you're going to have to wait a little bit longer if smoking is between designated smoking areas which are clearly signed and are well outside the main terminal building. For those passengers who have checked in a child's pushchair or pram, please be able to collect on the baggage